everybody, it's Margot and
hi, I'm Kelly
from My Favorite Quilt Store, and we're here to show you this great quilt kit today. I just love this. So we just started carrying Shannon fabrics.
Yes, it's got me over the rainbow, and that's actually what it's called.
And that's what it's called. So in this kit, which has so much stuff in it.
Tons.
You get the front of the quilt, the binding, the back of the quilt, which is this beautiful,
Yummy feeling
Shannon fabric, and then you also get all the fabric to make this pillow.
Favorite part.
So you get this pillow with it. Listen. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, bring this on the airplane.
You can take it on the
with your
airplane.
kids. Yeah. Hey, I'm going to borrow your pillow for you.
It's a neck pillow. You can sleep in your chair with it, or your car as you're driving to work.
That's a perfect neck pillow.
One of the few things you can do. So anyway, this comes with it. So let's see what's in the box.
Yes.
We can open it up real quick.
We have the box.
See.
Like she said, it's got the front, the back, the pillow, all the goodies.
Everything.
So this is that main fabric right there on the front.
Yep.
And then we have the rainbow fabrics.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I love those.
I love those.
And then here is our binding.
Okay.
Which has that nice like texture. I love the color, how it does a variation.
Variegated, yeah.
Beautiful pink for the back.
The backing.
This is part of the rainbow as well, right? That arch.
Yep. Right there
and
in
then
the arch.
the white for the clouds. Then we have our pattern right here at the bottom. In the pattern, there is also a template, so you can go ahead and cut out your rainbow, so it'll piece together so beautifully.
Yep.
So easy, so fun, and they have been a hit. As soon as you touch the fabrics, you're like, can I get this in every color?
In every color. And since it is pre-cut and ready to go, you don't have as much fuzz with it because they have vacuumed it up and gotten a lot of the fuzz out of it already. So
yeah.
It's cleaner to work with.
If I'd say the only complaint I have is the fuzziness, that's a win.
Yeah.
In my book.
Yeah, I just get out the little hand vacuum, easy,
yep.
and get it all cleaned up. So anyway, this is just a fun project that anyone would love to open under the Christmas tree as a gift.
Absolutely.
It's not for baby only. I think it's for almost anyone.
Anyone. Yeah, this is just such a fun one. I personally love to just snuggle up on a blanket. With this one being so fuzzy and fun.
And the size of this blanket is?
It is a 28 by 40.
28 by 40.
Yep, and then the finished neck pillow is a 24 by 18 size. And you could keep this template on hand and make it for everybody.
Make it for everybody. That's exactly right. I'm thinking I would want one of these.
I do too.
So, because you can make it out of other colors too.
Mm-hmm, absolutely.
So, anyway, we hope you enjoy this and check out our kits from Shannon Fabric.
Happy sewing.